Welcome into the show, everyone. It's Michael Dart, EDU. It starts with you. We have some huge updates to go over today. Number one, Bgld is now mining, kicking out daily rewards. I'm going to tell you guys about the Rabby airdrop that's coming up, and I want to share with you one of my newer projects that is going absolutely amazing, getting paid every single day. Let's start first with the debt box. All right, as you can see here, Bgld is mining. I've gotten 103 so far. So some people could stake their micros before, but I couldn't, but I can now. So I'm going to do that real quick. So I'm simply going to come to the right here and click on stake. I'm going to go to micros. I have 60 of them, so you can just play around with this. And first we're going to approve the micro. Obviously you guys will need some BNB in your wallet. And as always, guys, in all of these links, I will put the Google Doc below the YouTube description. So simply below the video, click more, and you will be able to see that. So let's see here. There we go. Okay. So if this doesn't come up blue, all I did was simply toggle this a little bit, and now we can stake our micros. If you do have 100 micros, I was told you can combine those for one full node. I'm not sure how to do that yet, though. I don't think I have 100 micros of anything. So let's see here. Okay, there we go. So I have one full NFT and then 60 micros staked here. Still trying to figure out what the rewards rate means. I'm not really sure, but when I get that, I will do an updated video. Yeah, and the other ones aren't available yet. So right now, just Bgld. Now, for Rabby, that I've been telling you guys to use for almost a year now, they're basically gearing up to do an airdrop. So a lot of times with airdrops, they'll have what's called points that you can accumulate for doing certain tasks. The more points you get, the more airdrop you get. So you should see now on your Rabby points. If you don't see it, you need to update to the latest version. So if you click on that, I already claimed mine. My code is, if you guys don't have a referrer or you got through Rabby through me, I simply made my referral code THARP, THARP. So when you come into claim, go ahead and put that in. All right, so I switched to wallets just so you guys can see what this will look like. You click on Rabby points. This one, I didn't get very many. This is kind of a newer wallet, so I just got my active Rabby user. The one I use the most, I got about 2,000 points on. So you're simply just going to put in THARP as a referral. You'll hit claim. You'll click sign and create, confirm. Okay, so I got my 36 points for this wallet, and then you guys can set your code and whatever referral code you want to. If you want to tell people, you can earn extra points. Swap in Rabby, gas up, which I'd never done before. But you can simply choose your chain, and then you would just get some BNB. Select the payment token. So if I had $20 of USDT here, I could simply use that to top up my BNB. So that is another way to earn points. Now, hopefully that gets you guys caught up in the debt ecosystem. The other mining that I am doing every single day, which is absolutely phenomenal, is the Vivo coin, or VSC. The token's up 241% in the last year. As you can see, we really started to take off in December. I started mining this somewhere in November. I can't remember the exact date, but it was like at a penny and 2/10. And we have just taken off, gone all the way up to 7. As you know, the market's coming down. We're at just 4 cents right now. These are my mining rewards daily. So I have this health wearable, and it, you know, as long as your heart's beating, you're going to get paid every single day. These tokens are liquid. They're on multiple exchanges. You can switch it right inside your app for USDT or cash out daily if you want to. If you have an Apple Watch, you can actually use that. So if you guys want to get mining VSC every single day, reach out to me and I will get you guys started. But I'm absolutely loving it, and I think this token has a long way to go. We just got added on Bgld today. So we're on these 6 exchanges. Volume's decent. So I'm excited about what we're doing here. And it's basically free, guys. It's 35 bucks to mint the NFT. And then, you know, the video can explain the rest. But again, if you want it, easiest way to get into crypto, to get paid daily from a token that's completely liquid and has the liquidity, reach out to me. I'll actually put the video to it below the presentation, because this is absolutely huge. The health data market is in the trillions. And now, rather than Apple and Facebook and Samsung taking our data and selling it, we have a way to profit from it. So look down below in the description if you guys want to see and understand how I'm getting paid daily from that as well. I'll keep bringing you guys the news and updates from DET. I'm excited about seeing them get to a layer 1 and get the other NFTs giving us those daily rewards. All right, guys, lace up. Let's get wealthy. Peace.